Today is
Hello.
our anniversary.
True.
11 years that we met today.
No, not that we met.
We started dating.
I wonder what it was from when we met.
Oh.
That's something to think
Actually,
about.
we didn't really talk to each other when we met.
What?
Just no.
Why not?
Because I remember when I first met you, you were in a marriage, and I just know of you, and I never talked to you.
Were you scared?
Because you were kind of my instructor, so I was a little nervous.
Nervous.
Yeah.
You're like, I'm gonna marry that man.
Oh, well, why are you in a marriage? Wow. Okay, so what's your plan for today?
What's my plan for today?
Yeah.
We're driving to Blue Mountain, and we're spending the weekend, and we're gonna get away from the city and relax and enjoy each other's company and do a few surprises. What's your plan for today?
Follow your lead.
All right, let's go.
What's the first stop, Evan?
I don't know. What's the first stop? First stop is we're gonna figure it out. We can't get into our place until 4 o'clock, and it's noon. So we're gonna first stop is figuring out where we can park. That's a good first stop, and then head out to the next first stop, which is a surprise. So here we go.
So you figured out what we're doing first?
We're getting our tickets. Day pass
To what?
at Blue Mountain to be in nature with my animal.
So it looks like you changed something of the tickets, Evan. What
Yeah.
did you change?
We don't get into our place until 4, and there's some things that we can't do with the dogs, so we're gonna do some pretty intense hiking until 4, and then we're gonna drop off the dogs, and we're gonna do a mountain roller coaster, zip lining, and then take the open air gondola to see some night hiking extravaganza. Let's go.
This is where we're gonna go later on tonight.
You are here. Okay, we walked from here, around here to here. And now we gotta go up to here and over. Or maybe we can go here. Whatever that is. Lookout point and then across and over. I'm down for that.
Timo's tired though. Go. How are you doing, Evan?
Pretty good.
Yeah?
Messy.
Yeah, the hike is very messy. Look at Timo and Tristana. Yep, muddy.
Yeah, we're over halfway up.
Okay, we have to climb up this hill. This is a very steep hill.
It's not that bad. It's just
We'll
mud.
see. We'll see how me and the dogs can do. As soon as we get up to the hill, we find our path and go down. Let's go, Timo. Let's go, Timo. See, this is the muddy part. That's where we came from. We walk, we climb all the way up. I'm exhausted. How you doing?
Great.
Really?
Let's go.
Good for you. Look at Timo.
He's a little dirty, just a little bit.
Yeah, Timo's having fun. Yeah, you're tired, Timo? What's Agora, Evan?
It's a night trail that's all lit up.
Okay. So we better wear like a boot
I think you're on like this. I think it's,
Okay.
but we can.
Okay, that's what we're gonna do tonight. Everything gonna be lit up in the hike. Agora. What did you find, Evan?
Our trail down.
Trail down? How good is the...
Looks great. You ready to go for a hike?
This is where we're going down, guys.
Let's go.
Downhill.
This is it.
Down?
Are you filming me?
Yeah.
You should film you.
Why?
Because you took a little bit of a spill.
Yeah, well, I hesitated. Here,
Here.
you're good.
Nina
I hesitated.
took this tumble.
And then I slipped. I was running down the hill at the last part. And then at the end, I was like, oh, okay, I need to slow down. And then I fell.
Right at the bottom.
Yeah, if I just keep going, then I'll be fine.
She's in good spirits though.
Okay, let's go.
It's a mess.
Yeah.
And this street here, I don't know if you guys can see it. Carmichael Crescent.
We got a message from the Airbnb.
Yeah, okay.
So that we could go to the place.
Oh,
We're
great.
gonna clean up
Yep.
and head out again in an hour. Okay, this is our place for the night. Well, the 2 days.
2 nights. Oh, it's
2
good.
nights. Yeah, Evan found this. Good job.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's a
you
nice
found
view.
it. Yeah.
That's a big comfy area here.
Yeah.
I like this.
Very bright.
You got a barbecue outside,
A lot of windows.
and then where's a little kitchen? Okay, great.
Yeah.
There's an upstairs too. How many rooms are here?
I think there's like 3 rooms.
There's a room here, a nice bathroom here, a double room here, and then I guess our room is the master's upstairs. Anybody watching want to stay with us? We got 2 extra rooms.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Oh. King size bed, nice view of the pond. Bathroom. All right, good job, Nina.
I wash you, Timo. You're now all clean. Yeah, and you had supper, so you're not hungry. You're begging me for food. And Evan had a nap.
Yeah.
He had a nap because it was a tough hike. It was a tough hike. We were slipping. I fell. Yeah.
I'm excited. Time to go back out now.
Yeah, we're gonna go head out. We can't bring the dogs because we have to do something that they cannot go on. Okay, first one, we're going to the roller coaster.
No, Zipline.
Oh, Zipline. I thought we were doing that first. That's what you said, no?
No, Zipline closes soon.
Oh, okay.
Zipline, and then the roller coaster,
Okay.
then dinner,
Okay.
then the gondola, and then
Okay.
the nighttime spectacular.
Okay. Are you afraid of Zipline?
No,
No?
this is a baby zipline.
Oh, okay.
Totally fine.
Last time we went to Zipline in Quebec. I went to Zipline with Quebec with the kids.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I had some good relaxed time. It was
Yeah. Okay. Good, Evan, you ready?
cool. Let's go.
You excited?
I'm ready.
Is your first time? Did I ask that?
No, it's not my first time.
Okay.
But it's my first time on my 11th anniversary. So.
Okay, that's good. Well, it's not like we've done a lot of exercise, you know? Extra step with the harness and the hat
Oh, yeah.
to go up to this. How much you tired? Did you have fun?
Yeah.
What?
It was a little tight
Okay.
in certain areas. That when you're sitting down, like, woo! And then when it hits at the end, like,
Yeah.
ow! Okay, I might talk like this from now on. Happy anniversary.
That's funny.
Walk it off. Walk it off.
Okay, where to next?
Here, roller coaster.
Roller coaster. You have fun?
Yeah, it was cute. I almost ate a bug on the way out.
I have a couple things hit on my face.
Yeah, I had my mouth wide open. I'm
Yeah.
like, and then a bug hits me in the nose. Like, whoa, I should close my mouth. That was great. That was
Yeah?
so much more fun than the zip line.
Yeah.
I had it full speed the whole way. Did you
Yeah,
slow
me
down?
too.
Yeah.
I slowed down when I turned a little bit, but otherwise, yeah, full way.
That was great.
Yeah.
That was. I guess you didn't film anything, but.
I was smiling the whole time. Next up, we're going to have some dinner, right, Evan?
Yep.
Italian place.
Italian place.
Best review in this village.
They've had the highest rating, so
Yeah.
we're gonna go eat some Italian. Andiamo, ragazzi. Well, I haven't had cheese, like a mozzarella cheese in a long time.
You love your pasta with white sauce.
I'm always looking for a good sauce. Most people don't do it well.
You like it?
Okay.
It's okay.
Good B minus. For Alfredo, I'm a Alfredo sauce now. Good. Nina also got a pasta. She got the meat sauce. Here she goes. Oh, it's hot. You see me smoking. She said you wanted hot food. There you go. And it's our verdict.
Very hot.
Very hot, but is it good?
Good. I like it.
It's good. Perfect.
Good dinner. Go back. Need to take some of our pill. Evan just dancing away. When you're at Blue Mountain, you
Very
have to
hot.
get a beaver tail. That's one of the famous one
It's very hot.
dessert in here.
Woo, hot.
Evan got a scorbit beaver tail. And I showed them what's a beaver tail. It looks like a beaver tail, but with a
it's like
different flavor.
Paste. What is this? It's just like bread.
Bread, yeah.
Flat bread with dressing on it. A score and something. When was the last time I had a beaver tail?
I don't know, but that was many years ago.
Years ago.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
It's very hot.
yeah.
I gotta
Let it chill.
let it chill.
Let me try it then.
Okay. You can
Yeah.
try it. Nina's gonna
not
give it
that
a bite.
Delicious, yummy. Not that hot, Evan. Good. We went back to the Airbnb to take our supplements, and then now we're gonna go out
Yep.
again to the gondola because that's part of the.
We could also
the pass
we
that
could
got.
hike to the top instead of the gondola.
Oh my god, I don't want to hike to the top again.
Because once we get to the top, it's another 2 or 3 hour hike, right?
Oh my god.
Nina's getting her steps in today.
Yeah, probably hit almost like 20K today already. Sad news.
Sad news?
Yeah, gondola is closed.
It's okay. It's not sad.
But how come they closed it? I forgot.
He didn't tell us. He said there's some unspecified reason. That
Oh,
I think it's alien invasion.
an invasion?
Alien attack. That's why they're being so secretive.
Yeah.
The aliens are coming.
Okay.
But it's okay. More
Yeah.
one-on-one time with Nina.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Okay, we went to talk to the front desk to let them know about the Goras that is now open, and then she gave us a pass for tomorrow night so that we can get up.
It's gonna be colder tomorrow night.
Yeah.
But that's fine.
Yeah,
And
because we
Nina.
have each other to warm up.
Oh wow, that's good.
Yeah.
And Nina did some expert negotiation. You don't want to be on the other side of a negotiation with Nina Carmichael, because you're gonna lose.
That's not true. That's not true.
It's the next day, and if you want to see what we do today, click the video right there next to it. I think you'll love it. Continue to believe. We'll see you there.